Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow only one person to see your WhatsApp status updates. If you want to share a status update with just a specific contact while keeping it private from everyone else, this updated feature will make it super easy. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Step 5. Now, tap on Status. This is where you control who can view your status updates. Step 6. Under the section, Who can see my status updates? Select the option Only share with. Step 7. Next, you'll be able to select the contact you want to share your status with. Simply pick the person you want to allow to see your update. Step 8. Once you've selected the contact, tap the check icon to confirm your choice. And that's it. Now, only the contact you've selected will be able to see your WhatsApp status, and everyone else will be excluded from viewing it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. See you next time.